fuck is that? What the hell is that? You're there forever. Oh, she sounds farty. Sounds real farty. Hello. Oh yeah, right there. Nice. Good to know. That ain't bad. I just don't have that gasket. Right on. Alright, so this is what we got going on today. We are doing glass pack on the Jeep. We also have new exhaust gasket for the it's very bent. That's awesome. Perfection. So we're gonna ruin it by putting a glass pack in instead, because nothing sounds better or worse than a straight piped glass pack AMC 4-liter. So that's what we're doing. I don't know why I love them, and I'm gonna take out that everything that's performing well, such as the cat and the muffler. They're equally doing their jobs, so I just figured let's ruin it. So we're doing this. Yep. Oh, I don't have cutting discs or sawzall blades. Right on. Okay, guess we're fuck. So there we got our muffler. Oh, right there. Our muffler and our cat goes all the way up. And right there, that collector gasket seal donut is no longer there. So step one is going to be to explode these bolts off, because they're just going to snap. Pull this down, cut and weld. Yeah. Ah, what size are you? Oh, I'm going to be mad when you break. I'm going to be so mad. Right on. So another day. I got called out in the middle of nowhere again, to the boonies. So back now. Only progress I made was I hacked this rusty pile of shit off from the... Jesus, chill out. Guy's fucking part that unbolts. Cut that off. Plan is to weld onto this, clean it up a lot. And up front, nothing fancy. Coming back, gonna put in some exhaust pipe and a muffler. Muffler. Hook it up in the original hanger spot, so that's that. No progress yesterday. No progress at all. So today, however, old, new. So make that go to that, onto that. There's one good thing about having a dozen project cars. So if you need parts, like exhaust pipe that I forgot, we'll just take the ones from the Subaru that we aren't using. So that's the one upside. Project cars. Oh, I gotta pretend like I know what I'm doing and play Lego and weld this all together. Alright, there we go. So the cat and muffler are offset, as you can see, center, and then it's on the right. Center. So I put a little kink in her, so when we throw it in there, it should tuck to the one hanger. That's the idea. We'll see. Throw it in, test fit, and then weld her up. So that's my new exhaust instead of that. Hope it's not too loud. I hope it is. But I also hope it's not. Yeah. If that ain't the crustiest turd in the world, I'm not sure what is. Oh, jeez. Oh. It's really in there. Come on. 30 years of cooking itself on here, I guess. Oh, I can't wait to go blind. Woo! Oh, that looks so good. Ow. Yeah. I'd say she's a little dicked. Now, what are the chances this is gonna fit? Ooh, ooh. Alright, well that's right on. Well, so you guys saw it, wrong gasket, so I guess we're gonna mock it up, weld it together, get her all solid, and then slip that bad boy in later. Guess start building that soon. That's for the Comanche. So 3 hours till a new gasket gets here. What to do? Alright, fellas. Finally some progress. She's killed. I have the exhaust hanging there, bolted to the collector, but she's just holding on for dear life. And we got our beautiful new race exhaust. Gonna tack her in and get into place, get the hanger done. Should be good to go. Exciting. So the only shitty part about having a welder with no gas is all the slag. Now the shitty part about being a shitty welder is that it looks shitty. So yeah, that one was a butt weld, so I'm not too worried. That one, however, I have no excuse. So yeah, don't look at that, because I got that. So now we're gonna pretend. We're gonna pretend now. They aren't dimes, but they're definitely better. I don't know what the hell my issue was, but at least that one looks kind of structural. So, got her just dangling freely. The reason I'm doing it off of this is so it's still serviceable. I don't even want to look at these because they're gonna fucking snap. It's pretty clear. But down the road, I am able to unbolt these, then have to replace them. But it is still, I can separate it, whereas I don't have 6 feet, if I didn't do that, of pipe. It goes all the way to the back. So that's my thought process there. That's the old pipe, so we're getting there. Everything's pretty much welded up, and then still waiting for a gasket. So, oh my god, would you look at all that? Oh man, that's pretty oily. Twisting my arm. I guess I do have to engine swap you. Well, I wasn't gonna film this, but can't see what I'm doing anyway, so might as well use a light. Oh yeah, come on. Easy, easy. Oh, I'm gonna catch this thing in the face. Alright, well, that's not working. So the chances of me starting this and it not screaming at me in loud, deafening ways, pretty unlikely. Also unlikely is that that gasket actually sealed and fixed my exhaust leak. Let us take a listen together. Right, there's option 3, which is it's gonna sound like shit and be louder than ever, so we got that one for sure. We got that one for sure. I have no idea how I feel about this. Huh. Hey, give her. I guess I'll take it. I think I have some videos of the exhaust, how she sounds, but that's how it looks. That, unboltable, runs all the way back to the hangers, factory spot. This is 2 1/4 inch. I probably should have went 2 1/2. She sounds a little ricey, so just let it cook itself in maybe. But it's the exhaust for now, I guess. Actually happy with how it turned out. Doesn't sound like it's farting anymore. And the cat, oh, the cat bad. Let us go listen to the cat. This is our fine specimen. It's doing great. what goofy shit we have going on. Well, that would do it. That's kind of neat. It's kind of fucking neat. Anyway, that's why we upgraded. That's rotted out also on the back side. That side. Right on. Well, take that off. Yeah, so that's that. It's cold, tired. I gotta leave. Exhaust is done. I don't know what we're doing next, but thanks for watching, fellas. Could go warm up and then get cold.